I outdid myself. This is so good! Ingredients. I know you're in need of comforting. Why not make a potato gnocchi soft, melt in your mouth with 4 cheeses? I don't have to say no more. Let's just get into it. Double Italian flour, russet potatoes boiled. Now we scrunch them. My beautiful chickens laid the eggs, we're using them fresh. We've got eggs, flour, and a lot of potatoes. Use the driest potato, the russet potato, even the ones that you've left there for months, even better. Why? Because you want the really low water content potatoes so that you have to use minimal flour to mix. This ensures the softest, pillowy gnocco. It'll be mostly potatoes. And now we start with the little Italian ropes. This time I'm making the gnocchi a little tinier to have a little more satisfaction with that 4 cheese cream. About 1/2 inch wide ropes. A little smaller than I would usually, but I feel that way. And with gnocchi, it's up to you. Wanna keep them nice and dry. Remember, the potatoes are giving out still a little bit of water, so you wanna make sure they're floured. We're cooking for a lot of people. Erika! Vieni a dare una mano, va. You need more hands when you're making gnocchi, especially when you're making them this small. Che cos'è sto coso? You're not going in too pressing. You're like gently touching them. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, sì.
Is it working?
Sì.
Good. We're gonna go down 1/2 inch and then we're gonna cut in 1/2 inches. They're tiny pillows of love, just like you are. Best friend energy. Dagli dei tacco, dagli dei punta, quanto è buona la sora assunta. Gnocco, non so cosa darei.
Qualcosa è andato storto qui, però
Per-
aspetta. Dai, ma cos'è?
2 Virgos in the kitchen is trouble. This is a tapeworm situation, okay?
Aspetta. Guarda.
No! No, dai, a parte lo scherzo, però ti stai rendendo conto cosa stai facendo?
Dai una chance, no. Dai una chance.
Ridi, che mamma ha fatto i gnocchi.
Questo è buono.
And now imagine the shallots kissing that hot butter. We've got fontina, gruyere, sweet gorgonzola, and parmigiano reggiano. And of course, heavy cream. Let it simmer very, very gently, then we start with the cheeses. Now we shred the gorgonzola cheese. While the sweet gorgonzola melt, we get ready with the fontina. And we shred it directly in the pan. This is your sauce. Put the cheeses you like. Be classy, be tasteful. Don't have the American cheddar. Gruyere, one of my favorites. Parmigiano reggiano. Tiè, altro che mac and cheese, beccate questa, va. When you go to the spice shop, to the grocery store, get a whole nutmeg and grate some in your dishes, especially the creamy ones. It adds a whole new level of gorgeousness, just like you. The water is boiling, salt it. The gnocchetti are gorgeous and ready to go in. As they float, you pick them up and put them in the sauce. The tears of the pasta gods. Wow. just gorgeous. There's certain things that you have to put on your bucket list. This, I am sure it's gonna be one of them. Most definitely. It's so good. Why don't you leave me a comment and tell me once you've tried this and tell me if I'm not the real pasta queen.